Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are up front and up close with this release that I am going to be releasing tomorrow at noon p.m. Eastern time on my website. I repeat that again, it's going to be tomorrow 06/29/2022. It's going to be at noon p.m. Eastern time, Eastern Standard, and that is going to be on my website at APinkeClothlife.co. So last time I think I kind of didn't get all the information I had to put in the description box, so I made sure that I put it in the video here. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the wallet that I'm going to be releasing for tomorrow, which is a Discbound notebook. I love this thing. It is like super compact. As you guys saw, if you follow me on my Instagram page and my TikTok, which is called APinkeClothlife, I did show you guys where I had this in my slim sleek Kate Spade on the go purse, and it fit super nice. And I did switch this out with my old cash envelope wallet in my backpack, meanwhile back at the farm bag, because this right here, I have so much extra room. I didn't realize how much the other wallet was taken up in my bag, but this is like super slim. All right, so you get like this, a snap here. So y'all know I like to test snaps and zippers, so this snaps pretty well. And I am competing with my bestie in the background. He's playing, so he's upstairs with me, so so that's who y'all will hear in the background. And this right here comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 discs. Now these discs that I have on here is from my old Happy Planner notebook that I had, and I know there is a lot of us out there that have a lot of these planner discs, and you just have them in a cup, in a bag, or you just have them stored away and you don't use them. So I figured, why not put them on here, and then that way you can pretty much change them out whenever you want to and switch them to however you want to. But these are not the rings that come with it. I will show you one that it comes with it, the ones that come with the wallet, and then I'm just showing you the one that I have so you guys can see kind of like how I have it in, in use. All right, so this is like a black croc. It's vegan leather. That's what that is. And then you have your 1, you have your 2, and you have your 3 pockets. And then I use this as like a little sticky, like a little spot to put stickies, or you can put sticky notes here. And then you also have a side pocket here. So that's what you got there. Now let's get into the envelopes here, which we are going to check out. You will get 20 of these plastic vinyl envelopes in there, so you can pretty much put up to 20, as many as you want. You can only put like 10. I think I have pretty much like 15 or 16 in there. So, and then as you can see, I still can close it easily. And then if you fill in, how you want to fill, if you want to make the rings a little bit bigger, you go ahead, but this is big enough for me. So as you can see, this is how it opens. It opens from the side here. I got my money all sideways. And I just pretty much labeled it with my little label. And I really do like how it really is not too big and it's not too small. And these are just stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. So everybody always asks me, where'd you get those stickers from? This is where I got those stickers from. And when we went to Florida, I was able to grab some more because here in Virginia, we don't have any. I can't find them at none of the dollar stores. So this is basically how I have mine set up. And I do keep my little punch cards in here also, so that is also a good thing, because I like having like all of my cards and all that stuff like that in my wallet, but I like it better when I don't have too much. So this doesn't have me having like 50 cards, so all I have is like my debit card, I have my ID, and then I might have like these right here, my little punch and reward cards, so I don't have too much going on. So then I have like bank run, and I did put like little stickers there. And then as you can see, I have them in alphabetical order. And then this is like some little stickers I got from the dollar store. And I have this little envelope thing right there. So this is what I have for my envelopes. This is very useful, but very simple. And then I have one for receipts that I put on my receipts. I do need to scan these for Fetch Rewards. If you have not signed up for Fetch Rewards, please make sure to check it out. You can get points from scanning your receipts, and you can actually use that to cash in to get gift cards. Every little bit helps. All right, so this right here is a little paper that I have in the back, and I just put my little stickers for expense track, and I might try it in here. I need to make them bigger, but I haven't had the time. So I just put this here so that I can kind of pretty much just track it. And then back here, I can just put like some sticky notes there, and this comes out pretty easy. So it's not like hard, so you should be able to change it whenever. So, and then as you can see, it's very sleek and is very like just not bulky. So it is not bulky at all. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys exactly the colors that we will be having for tomorrow. So this is what the black one will look like. It will come with these rings. And like I said, if you have like some nice, you know, rose gold rings or gold rings that you want to put on there, you can easily, as you can see, I easily pull the cover off. You can change it. And then this will be how it comes. And these are like fresh, crisp envelopes. Like they're super fresh. We actually went through these yesterday, all of them, and made sure that with quality control that these were all legit and these were actually pretty beautiful. How they did with the craftsmanship. So that is that one. All right, so the next color we have is this beautiful brown color. This is just so pretty. I really do love this color. And then look how the color is in the inside, and you have the pockets and you have that. So this is the other color that we will be offering tomorrow. And then I'm going to put that there. I'm running out of room here. All right, and then we have this cute, gorgeous pink color. And I don't know, you might see me swap into different ones. So y'all just, it might be one day you might see pink, one day you might see brown. So we're just gonna, you know, check it out and see. All right, so this is the inside of the binder, and then like I said, they're pretty nice and like sleek, but you know what I'm saying, they're not like bulky and everything like that, because I have the little small wallets too, that like I have the wallet inside, and then I have the zipper pocket, and I don't need all that because I have like a little zipper coin pouch. So that's what I just use for that. And so this is what I'm having. Like I said, they do come with the snap. You get the disc, and you got 3 pockets, 1 big large pockets, and you get 20 of these cash envelope sleeves. And you can, you know what I'm saying, design it till your heart wears out, or you can go on Etsy and you can find like people to actually label them for you, send you the labels, and you can just put it on there, or you can just go and do exactly like I did, where I just went and I just brought some stickers or a label maker. So that is all for tomorrow, guys, of what I will be having at midnight. I'm going to say midnight, at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern time, noon. So be sure to, you know, I guess set like your alarm clocks, and be sure, because I can't put them to the side, because when I put them to the side, that just makes it confusing, and then I end up messing up. And then, so I just want to make it fair for everybody. So I do have a bunch of these. So they will, I guess they will just go when they go, so until they are sold out. So these will be available tomorrow. So I will do more release videos for you guys for when and I'll move this over so you guys can see. So I will do more release videos for you guys so that you can pretty much check and see you know what I'm saying, the new things that I come up with, because you guys know I'm always I like coming up with different things. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video, and then like I always say, until next time, peace.